Let's get some French fries. Uh-oh, we got our attention now. French fries! Come on. French fries! Come on. Come on, French fries. Let's go. Come on. French fries. Want some French fries? She's licking her choppers. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Say, French fries. Yeah, I want some French fries, Grandma. I want something from McDonald's. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I do. Come on.
Worth.
Go ahead,
I found
talk
a
to me.
problem.
Go ahead, talk to me. She's not gonna do it now. Ellie, you want something to eat? French fries. Let's go get some French fries from McDonald's. Okay? Let's go. Let's go get some. Yeah. Yeah, let's go get some. Come on. You gonna laugh for me? Come on. Let's go. There we go. Oh. 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 Oh.
Goodness.
Yeah. I think she's tired of that now. You want something to eat? There you go.
Oh, there we go. He's crazy, folks.
The things we do to get her to laugh.
Hey, pretty girl. I see you. I see you, darling.
Look how blue her eyes are. They are really blue. I hope you don't have sound on that thing.